In this lesson, we're going to work on showing how to multiply whole numbers with fractions, and we're going to use models. So if we have a problem like this one that says, what product does each model show? So there's this model, and then there's this model. And we need to try to come up with a multiplication with a fraction that represents the model. So let's look at each one individually. So there are two shapes in the model, right? 1, 2. Each shape shows the fraction 2 over 8. And how do we know this? Because we know this because 2 out of the 8 equal parts are shaded, right? 1, 2 are shaded. And there's how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So the model shows two groups of 2 over 8. So two groups of 2/8. That is the same as 2 times 2/8. So now let's go to this one. We have three shapes in this model, okay? And each shape shows the fraction 2/3. We know this because 2 are shaded and there's 3 total equal parts, right? So let's see that. We know this because 2 out of the 3 equal parts are shaded. So the model shows 3 groups of 2/3. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. So that is the same as 3 times 2/3. And this is the mathematical representation of these models. This is 3 times 2/3, and this model is 2 times 2/8. So that's the end of this lesson. If you need more help, you could take a look at the description. There's other videos there that are similar to this that help you understand multiplying fractions. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it with a link that'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.